What's going on, YouTube? Back at it with another one. Today we're gonna be installing a front end bumper on a 2009 Mercedes C300. Check it out. So here is what we got. So I purchased this bumper brand new and got it painted to match the car. See, this one is pretty bad shape. Rock chips, paint this color in pretty bad shape. So what I'm gonna be doing is taking this off and installing that one. Handy. These are for these little plastic pieces to pop off. See, I popped them off already. A couple different spots. You're gonna have to take them all off. Take these covers. Once you take these covers off, you have access to that. Got to remove this one here too. So we're gonna get going on it. See how this one comes off. It's gonna be my first time doing it, but ain't nothing hard to a bumper. Stay tuned. So you got two 10 inch, I'm sorry, not 10 inch. You got two bulbs here that hold the grill, that hold the front portion of it. Once you get those out, the middle should be pretty much loose. So once you remove the plastic cover, it's 3-piece. You got one there, one here, one there. This one just kind of clips in place. Lift it from the front, pull it back, comes right out. And then over here, every bumper's pretty much the same. I done took a couple of them apart, but you're gonna have 2 screws here that screw in there. And one thing I tell y'all from experience, make sure these stay in place. These right here, because without these screws, they're just gonna go up and down. They ain't gonna lock into anything. So got that part done. We'll do the other side now. You're gonna have to pop these little plastic pieces off to open up this up to get to these 2 screws. So once you get these screws here, it just clips. Take the lights out, and that's it. Now, one thing I gotta do is take off all the grill, the lights. So you're gonna need a special little tool. I think it's a T20 to get all that off, put on there. Just put a little touch on it myself. I'm gonna hit these with gloss black paint. Do these, do the grill. This is what I'm gonna use. Before I do that, this is the most important right here. See how this one turns out. And if I don't like the way it turns out, I'm gonna go ahead and buy a new one. So let's hit it. I'm gonna give it a light coat. Let it dry for a little bit. We'll come back and hit it with another coat. Let it sit for a little bit. Now, Let's install these while we wait. So these are just 4 little screws. You got them from the back. Back of this. It's real easy to take off. Take these off from the back. You gotta get these. Put these on your new bumper. Because if not, you're not gonna have anything. What y'all think? The gloss black. Looks good to me.